Why is Java platform independent? I want to use this image in order to explain it. So the idea of Java is that we have two main things while developing, JDK and GRE. You can have GRE in order to run your application, but in order to develop your application, you're gonna need a JDK. JDK is responsible for compiling the high level language, which is Java code that we have, in order to be a bytecode, which is dot class. This dot class can be used by GRE, which is the runtime environment. So basically, it can be using the dot class, and when it can use the dot class bytecode, which is basically it contains the bytecode, it uses the Java virtual machine in order to run the bytecode. But Java, the point here is that JVM or the runtime environment basically it can be found on any different machine, any other machine, not Windows specific. So it can run on any machine, Linux, Ubuntu, Debian, whatever. Any one of them has GRE that's gonna be able to use these two classes, or it can like run the jar package itself. Like the package itself, it contains like all the classes and resources file. But this is the main point, that any machine that has GRE can use the class, and this is why it's independent, because you only need GRE in whatever machine you're gonna be have, and once you have this GRE, you can use bytecode. This is why it's independent.